Hi, welcome to my course Python 101. I am Krishna Yamarthi. This course is about programming in Python. In this, I'll teach all the concepts of Python in detail with lots of code examples. No prior programming experience is expected for this course. What is Python? Python is an interpreted programming language. It is today's one of the most popular computer language. In mid-80s, it was a C language. In early 90s, it was C++ and Perl. Java took over in late 90s. Looks like Python is the next wave in the world of programming. It's a very simple scripting language, very easy to learn. The richness of Python, I think, is in its modules. Using this, we can create production-ready scripts very quickly without writing much code. I think this language is a must for every software developer today. Why the name Python? Here is the inventor of this language, Guido van Rossum. He was a big fan of Python flying circus, and that explains the name Python. Let me explain about my course 101. Course is divided into about 15 sections. In section 1, we'll be installing Python and IPython notebooks. Next, in section 2 is like a preview of Python. Here I will explain about Python objects, mutability of objects, about numbers, strings, booleans and operators. Next, we will move on to conditionals and loops. Here I will cover if statements and while and for loops. In next 3 sections, we'll cover string objects, list objects, tuples, sets and dictionaries in detail with a lot of code examples. After that, we'll work with functions. In this, we'll write small programs using positional parameters, variable number of parameters and named parameters. Also, I will cover in this section iterators and generator functions. Section 8 is about object-oriented programming in Python, and section 9 is about file I/O. Next, we will learn about Python modules and runtime exceptions. In section 12, I will cover database programming in Python using SQLite relational database. Next, I will teach about multi-dimensional arrays using NumPy module. Finally, we will cover series and data frame objects using a Pandas module. This is a very comprehensive course in Python covering all core concepts and also covering use of Python with databases, NumPy and Pandas modules. All the lectures in this course are taught using IPython notebooks. IPython notebooks are the best way to learn this language. This course comes with about 80 lectures and 14 hours of video classes. All the sections include downloadable practice code and quizzes. Also, it includes a 30 days money back guarantee. Finally, about me, I have about 30 years of IT experience in major corporations in US. I worked at IBM, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Dow Jones and Citibank. Education-wise, I have an MS in physics and an MS in computer science. I started my IT career teaching C programming and robotics classes to gifted and talented students at Bergen Tech, New Jersey. I'm very passionate about teaching and programming. I'm sure you will like my course, and I'll see you in the class. Thank you.